Good morning, everybody. That time of the week again, Saturday morning, and the weekend ahead. So what can you be doing in the garden this weekend? Well, according to my lunar gardening calendar book, this weekend is a great weekend to be working with fruit-bearing plants. So if you have fruit trees, apple trees, pear trees, crab apples, now is a good time to prune them. Just look where there are branches that cross. You don't want branches that rub up against each other and can damage the bark of the branch. And you want to keep a kind of a goblet shape. Let the light in. So you can cut away branches, you really can. Keep it open. Also, you can keep clearing up your garden for spring. Keep laying down organic matter. And I'm really excited because it really feels like spring is here. My first little dwarf daffodils have come into blossom. And the purple crocuses. I've noticed a phenomenon in my garden. First it starts with the yellow crocuses, then some white ones, and then the purple ones come out. And when the purple ones come out, it's kind of when nature is telling me that spring is here. So even though it's the end of February, I think spring might actually be here. I also have something else to suggest to you. You know, maybe today, maybe this weekend, instead of getting busy doing, maybe you do nothing. Go and get into your garden, find a comfortable place to be, or go for a walk in the woods and find a comfortable spot there, a rock, something to sit on, or find a quiet spot in your local park, and just be still. Breathe. Listen. And observe nature waking up around you. We've had such a crazy, crazy year. And a lot of people's mental health is suffering at the moment. And getting outside into your garden, into nature, is a wonderful way to help you feel better. I cannot recommend it enough. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you later.